This is calculator question number 32 from SAT Practice Test 6, which is the April 2016 SAT. College Board gives us a simple linear equation where we have to distribute a negative into parentheses and asks us to solve for x. Often the easiest way to solve this on a calculator section is to enter it into your calculator. I just put the left side in y1, right side in y2 on my graphing calculator, choose a window where I can see the values. I start out with zoom 6, but all I see is y equals 7. I don't see the left-hand side. So I made my x max 50, and now I can see the left-hand side, and they intersect here, which the graphing calculator on my TI-83 or 84, second trace for calculate, option 5, intersect, hit enter 3 times, and it says x equals 31 is the x coordinate where they intersect, and that will be the value of the one variable in our equation that has only one variable. And I would just grid that in. In general, I would stop there on the actual SAT, but let's work through the algebra by hand since this is also for teaching. So 2 times 5x is 10x, 2 times negative 20 is negative 40, negative 1 times 15 is negative 15, negative 1 times 8x is negative 8x. Probably the most common error is failing to distribute the negative to that 8x. Equals 7. Combine like terms. 10x minus 8x is 2x. Minus 55 equals 7. Let's add 55 to both sides. 2x equals 62. Divide both sides by 2, and I get x equals 31. Notice I always do the same thing to both sides of the equation. That's important when you're doing the algebra. Notice that I also got the same answer, but it's faster to do on the graphing calculator. If you're not sure what window to use on a multiple choice question, you can look at the answer choices and make sure that your largest and smallest choices are in your window. On a grid in, it's often safe to use x max equals 9999 because that's the largest number you can grid in. It's larger than you need, but it doesn't change the amount of time it takes significantly, and you know that your answer is very likely to be in that window. In any case, come back soon for my next math video. With math, there's always more.